Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to do a speed build on what I think is the best secondary build from LEGO Creator Set 31031 Rainforest Animals, and that build is this LEGO Chameleon. So here are the pieces. Let's start building. Here is the finished Chameleon. Had to make some slight modifications to the eyes. In the manual, they have them like that, but on the cover, they're like this. So I match what's on the cover. I kind of like that better. In terms of motion, the Chameleon has the legs that move every direction in the back and all the way around if you want to. The front legs also move around that way. The head moves in every direction basically, and then the tail moves up and down, and that's about it. No sideways motion on that. But there is the finished Chameleon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.